Imagine this. You feel like you've become a man who's actually worth something. You're not toxic. You're not playing games. You work hard. You don't rely on your parents. Slowly, you start being able to afford things on your own. You take care of your body. Your style improves. Your money may not be crazy yet, but it's enough to treat someone to a meal, grab coffee, even take small trips. And when you look in the mirror, you think, damn, I've changed a lot. But here's the strange part. When you approach women, the response is just average. No excitement, no curiosity, no spark. You text first, she replies, but it's dry. You try to talk, she answers but doesn't ask back. You ask her out, sometimes yes, sometimes excuses. And even when she shows up, she's just being polite, not excited. At that point, you start thinking, do women not like good guys? Do they only like bad boys? Am I not attractive enough? Not rich enough? Is all of this pointless? What makes it worse? You look at your friend, an average guy, average job. Not ugly, but not impressive either. Yet, women are drawn to him. They text him first, they show interest. Some even get jealous, and they're not even dating yet. That's when you realize, okay, something is off. Because logically, you've improved, you've leveled up, you've done everything right. So why aren't you being chosen? Here's the truth. Your logic is only right on the surface. We've been taught a man should have money, be stable, have a car, have a solid career, be polite, be reliable, and none of that is wrong. But here's the problem. Those are supporting factors, not what creates attraction. Let me ask you this. Why are there rich, successful, famous men who still fail in relationships? Why are there men who are perfect on paper but can't make a woman stay? Because women don't fall in love with what you have. They fall in love with the energy you bring. You can have everything, money, status, looks, but if you don't have inner power, you'll look like a man who is trying to earn love instead of a man who is naturally worthy of it. And women can feel that. They can tell the difference between a man who gives because he's strong versus a man who gives because he's afraid of losing her. If your vibe is, I already have everything, why don't you like me? She'll feel that, and she'll think, he's doing all this because he needs me, not because he's confident. And if your only value is your money, you'll attract women who just want to use you. At first, they're sweet. They give attention. They act loving. But over time, they ask for more. They get upset when you say no. They make you feel guilty. And when you're already invested, they leave. Why? Because from the beginning, you built a transaction, not a connection. And women don't stay loyal to transactions. They stay loyal to feelings. So now ask yourself, you have the external things, but do you have presence, confidence, masculine energy? Can you make a woman feel good without spending money? Can you make her laugh just through conversation? Can you make her feel something just by the way you look at her? If yes, you've entered a different level. And that energy doesn't come from money. It comes from how you see yourself, from how you carry yourself, how you speak without needing validation, how you say no calmly, how you stay grounded even when ignored. Women are more attracted to a man who is slow but solid than fast but empty. Yes, looks matter. They make her notice you. But what makes her stay? Your vibe. So how do you build that? 1, train your silence. You don't need to talk all the time. Calmness is power. 2, learn to say no. Don't be afraid to lose someone who only stays when you give. 3, get comfortable being alone. A man who can't be alone will chase validation. 4, speak honestly. Stop trying to say what she wants to hear. Be real, with value. 5, control your emotions. She will test you. If you stay calm, you win. And finally, don't think your effort was wasted. Your job, your body, your lifestyle, that's great. But now it's time to level up. Become the man who, even without giving anything, women still want to be around, because your energy is strong, because you're grounded, because you have direction, and because you're not afraid to lose. Believe me, a man like that isn't just loved, he's respected, desired, and valued. Thank you. Hope this helps.